Today, I made my 591 monthly car payment, and this was easily one of my worst financial mistakes. Financing a car for 75 months for the first time is actually, my balance is under 3,000, so I can see the light at the end of the tunnel. If you've made the same mistake, it's okay. We all make mistakes, but we gotta learn from them. Never again. We can't be in that type of debt anymore. Instead of making these banks rich, we have to pay ourselves. We have to start investing. We have to start saving.